Hello everyone, welcome to Nandip Academy Samarpan Answer Writing Series program. I am Supriya and we are discussing the ethics question. This question is from the unit 6, that is the public civil service values in public administration. So what is exactly our question is? Question is very interesting. We are talking about the different values in civil services and in public administration. So the question is, how do civil service values like integrity? First value is integrity, second is accountability, and third is impartiality. Ensure effective public administrations. Means how these three values ensuring the effective public administration. This is our first part of the question. And what is the second part of the question? The second part is, how should civil servant handle conflict of interest or political pressure while performing his duty? This is our second part of the question. Definitely, while looking at the first side, the question, we have seen that the question divided into the two parameters. First is how these values ensuring the effective public administration, and second part is how the civil servant can handle, with the help of these values, how he or she handle this conflict of interest and political pressure. Right? Question is clear? Okay. We are going towards our introductory area. In this introduction, what should we write? We can emphasize on these keywords like, while these three values, integrity, accountability and impartiality, are the bedrock for the efficient government, for the efficient public administration, and these values, what they are ensuring? These values are ensuring how civil servant can perform his duty. While performing his duty, these values act as a bedrock, right? Means if the civil servant who are practicing these values, definitely he or she will be having the fairness and having the professionalism in his approach. What is professionalism? While performing the duty, you have to be very disciplined and you have to act according to what exactly duties, rules, laws, regulation is. Okay. After writing the good introduction for the question, we are directly start our question with a real life example. Means we have to focus on how one civil servant who have a professionalism in his approach, who have all these three values, for example, integrity, for example, accountability, transparency and impartiality, having his own values, how he can perform his duty. For example, take the example of Shailesh Gandhi. Who is he? He is a former Central Information Commissioner, and what he did? Because of his commitment towards his work, he opened all the information which are enclosed for the welfare of the citizens. Means he is giving access to information for the public. Means though there is a political pressure and bureaucratic pressure is there, still what he did? He did with the help of his integrity, he ensured all his quality and he performed his duty so well, so that all citizens are able to access the information which are enclosed. Okay. So with the help of such example, we can start our question also. Otherwise, we can start our question with the help of definition. So in the main body, what we should have to write? In the main body, definitely we have to discuss all the values and how they can ensure a ethical public administration. So while discussing our first value, how this integrity reduces corruption, definitely the value like integrity helping civil servant to take decisions. Means while his decisions should be accountable, his decisions should be transparent, and there is a fairness in his decision, right? And when we are talking about the accountability, definitely there should be a responsibility, there should be accountability towards the decision taken by the civil servant. In this way, we can discuss this point. And talking about the impartiality, without any favoritism, without any political favoritism, civil servant should have to take decision with a impartiality. Okay. while delivering services, definitely while delivering any civil service and any public services, definitely that civil servant have to serve the society without any favoritism. Means there is no favoritism towards particular any political group. And the last point, handling conflict of interest. Handling conflict of interest, definitely this is a quite tedious work, because whenever civil servant performing a duty, there is an immense ethical dilemma and political pressure are already there. But while performing his duty, he should have impartiality as his own value, and with the help of this, definitely this value adhering him or adhering her to maintain whatever the value system that he is practicing, he should have to adhere that value system with which is helping him or her for guiding ethically or practicing such practices with the help of ethics. Okay, in this way we can write this point in our main body, and while concluding the answer, definitely we should have to give a very good conclusion while summarizing our answer. Conclusion is definitely optimistic, positive. We have started our question with the help of case study, so we are able to conclude this answer with the help of this case. Means how this Shailesh Gandhi and his value system helping administration to run according to the citizens. Means if we are talking about the welfare of the society, if we are talking about the citizen-centric approach, definitely the work of a Shailesh Gandhi for the public interest is helping to maintain the law and order and code of conduct in the society. Okay, I hope you all are now aware how to write the answer for this question. We are meeting in our next question answer series program. Till then, if you have any comment, you can comment me in the comment section below. We are meeting in next question answer discussion. Thank you.